In an ever-changing world, MTS is here for you. As a leading global provider of test and simulation solutions, we create systems to safely and accurately test vehicles, materials, components, structures, and aircraft under real-world conditions. With our global reach and proven reliability to support your operations anywhere in the world, we help keep your testing moving forward, wherever you are. With manufacturing teams in China, Germany, and the United States, we offer the flexibility to build systems in the regions that best serve your needs, enabling faster, more efficient production and delivery. These strategically located facilities are supported by a global network of sales, service, and support offices, so you can be certain that you'll receive expert, responsive assistance exactly when and where you need it. With MTS, you're not just investing in world-class test equipment, you're gaining access to trusted expertise to support your testing every step of the way. Contact us today to find out how we can get you the solutions and knowledge you need to succeed.